Welcome to 1781 Spruce Hill Road, a gorgeous executive home with 4 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, and an outstanding backyard oasis situated on one of the most prestigious streets within Pickering's highly sought-after Dunbarton community. Showcasing a stone, stucco, and brick exterior, a triple-car garage, landscaped garden beds, and exceptional curb appeal, flagstones are used extensively in the front yard, surrounding the driveway, continuing along a walkway leading to one of the 2 backyard gates, and finishing the floor of the covered front entrance, where a stately set of doors open into elegant interior spaces with a rich color palette and mostly white trims, and which enhances the striking darker tones seen with the interior doors and room entries, staircases, and other interior features. Directly to the right of the foyer is the formal living room, which features a vaulted ceiling with pot lighting, an oversized west-facing arched window, and hardwood flooring with its interior inlay laid on the diagonal, while stationary glass panels dress the entryway into this room as well as into the formal dining room down the hall. The adjacent den is also suitable as a home office and features California shutters on its window, wainscoting and crown moldings, French doors with frosted glass inserts, as well as hardwood flooring laid on the diagonal. The dining room also has the interior inlay of its hardwood flooring laid on the diagonal, with this beautiful and intimate entertaining space also showcasing a circular coffered ceiling with pot lighting, a contemporary chandelier, and crown moldings, as well as a feature wall of stacked stone with 2 windows framing an indoor waterfall. The family room features hardwood flooring laid on the diagonal, pot lighting, and a built-in media cabinet surrounding a gas fireplace with stacked stone cladding, tiled hearth, and a wood mantel shelf. Open to the kitchen area, windows and a garden door walkout along the east wall flood natural light into both rooms and are dressed with custom balances. The kitchen also features pot lighting, as well as contemporary pendant lighting above a center island with a raised breakfast bar, and its stunning modern design additionally showcases espresso-colored cabinetry with contemporary hardware, accent lighting, and superb storage that includes a pantry with pull-out doors, a stainless steel triple-bowl undermount sink, stone counters and glass-tiled backsplashes, as well as stainless steel appliances including a dishwasher, a 5-burner gas cooktop with range hood, a built-in oven and microwave, a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, and a built-in espresso machine. And there is also a walk-in pantry off the hallway for additional storage space. The walkout opens onto a large balcony with a tiled floor, a front railing, walls finished with stone ledges, as well as an awning for summertime shade, and which overlooks a fully fenced backyard oasis. Showcasing a play structure for young children, mature shrubs and perennials throughout, 2 gated entries from the front yard, and a lush tree line for added privacy, there is also a walkout onto a covered stone patio below this balcony from the unfinished lower level. The backyard has also been extensively landscaped with stone, including stone steps to a massive flagstone patio area with a wood pergola, a cabana, and a hot tub that surrounds an in-ground saltwater pool with a waterfall feature. The main level additionally showcases gorgeous polished floor tiles that flow throughout the kitchen area and the hallways, a powder room beautifully appointed with a wood vanity topped with a stone counter and vessel basin, as well as a glass-tiled wall inlay surrounded by a feature wall of striking tiles that also finish the floor, a mudroom with access to the garage, and complete with an open closet system of wood for shoes, coats, and seasonal accessory storage, as well as a double coat closet in the foyer. While to both the upper and lower levels are curved hardwood staircases with the accompanying wooden wrought iron railing carried from bottom to top, including along the hallways where they are open to the level below. The upper level features trimmed walls, sconces, and pot lighting in the hallway, a laundry room, hardwood flooring throughout, as well as 4 very spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and ensuite washrooms. The third bedroom has a double door entry, as well as a richly hued color palette, giving it a warm and relaxing atmosphere. With this and the other 3 bedrooms also showcasing walk-in closets finished with wood organizers. Shared with the 4th bedroom is access to a 5-piece Jack and Jill washroom, which features tiled finishes throughout, glass-tiled accent borders, as well as a wood vanity with double basins, and within the water closet is a bath area with sliding glass shower doors. The 4th bedroom, which can easily accommodate a study or sitting area, enjoys abundant natural lighting through both a south-facing window with California shutters, as well as through a west-facing sliding door walkout that opens onto a Juliet balcony overlooking the front yard greenery. Hallway and staircase windows allow for natural light to spill into these spaces, and with the hallway's openness to the foyer below, a chain lantern light fixture and light through a dormer window provide additional brightness. The 2nd bedroom is ideal as a guest suite, and this exceptionally bright room features an east-facing exposure, wainscoting and crown moldings, as well as a 3-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor, a tiled shower area with glass door and a spa system, as well as a vanity with a tile counter and backsplash. The laundry room has ceramic flooring, a wood counter, cabinets and shelving, a linen closet, as well as a front-load washer and dryer. And the showpiece of this level is its luxurious and very generously sized master suite. Showcasing pot lighting and 2 ceiling fans, a coffered ceiling above the bedroom area, crown moldings, a spacious walk-in closet, as well as an archway graced with columns separating this stunning personal suite into 2 distinct areas. The ensuite washroom is an exceptional personal spa-like retreat filled with lavish appointments. Marble is showcased throughout this gorgeous space and is seen along its walls with the vanity's counter and backsplash, the flooring, the bathtub surround, and in the shower area. This washroom additionally features a chandelier above the jetted tub, which also has a handheld shower, toilet and bidet, pot lighting, a makeup vanity, as well as a shower seat, wall inlay, and a spa system in the shower area. Beyond the archway is a sitting area where oversized east-facing windows flood light into this room, and which also has a walkout onto a balcony that overlooks the backyard. This home is walking distance to Gandet-Setiegan Public School and is within the catchment area of Frenchman's Bay Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, which offer French immersion programs, while for everyday conveniences, the Amberley, Steeple Hill, Brookdale Centre, and Whites Road shopping centres are minutes away. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.